YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and we're here with Mail Call Part 2. I didn't want to make the first video too long, so I did make two videos. Alright, we have the Hobby Mate 3-inch asteroid frame that we're going to be putting together. We had a Cadex Turbo EOS 2 camera here, which is going to be nice. Alright, we also have here, we have some Naditsi MMCX antennas, minis. These are here going to be nice. They are, they look like they're going to be a nice fit for the 3-inch frames I'm building. But yes, this is the mini antenna, 5.8 gigahertz. These are new by Naditsi. And I have one with the MMCX connector, and I also have one here. It's for this will fit on your shark goggles also. So yeah, that's nice. All right. We also have here. We have more LC power filter, 2 amps. Alright, we also have here this is a FrSky XM Plus receiver. So that's going to be nice. We also have here the Naditsi X F3 updated 3-inch frame here. So this is going to be another build. Like I told you guys, I am back, and we are about to have plenty of content. Plenty. Alright. Also have here some more XT60 LiPo connectors. I have some XT30 battery plugs. So that's going to be nice. And I also have here by Naditsi. It's the 1 to 3S. It's charged 1, 2S, 3S. XT30 upgraded parallel charging board here. And it comes with a plug. This is going to be nice. Alright. And also, it's going to be nice. And we have here the iFlight Success stack. And this right here, people have been running this off 6S. So that's going to be nice. And I think that is what I'm going to well, in fact, this is what's going inside the Hobby Mate Asteroid. Alright, we also have here 4 Hobby Mate motors, 1505s. These are 2900 kV, capable of running up to 6S. So, yes, these are the 1505 2900 kV Hobbymate motors. These are also going on the Asteroid. So we will be pushing 6S on the Asteroid. And I have also found here, one second, I've also found this here. This is gonna be wild. I have found a 550 80C to 100 and, let me see what that say, 160C 6S, made for micros with the XT30 connector. These are the GN3s, and that's going to be nice. That's going to be nice. Alright, we also have here tape this box up good. Like I promised you guys, this is a bunch of content about to come your way. Good videos, good builds. We have here the Flywoo frame. This is a 3-inch. This is the Flywoo Ant. We will be doing a review on that. We also have here the Flywoo, another Flywoo frame here. This is the 5-inch, 220 millimeter Flywoo Macau frame. So that's gonna be awesome. Like I say, you guys, we got a lot of content coming, some great deals. We also have here, these are the Flywoo motors, 2207, 2450 kV. And these are titanium. That's the name of the color. I will be doing a review on those too also. We have 4 of those. Yes, we have some stuff, you guys. Alright. This is a frame that I am finna build for a friend. This is also a Flywoo. This is the Flywoo Crab. I have built this already. If you haven't checked my video out, you can go back and check it out. I have the link in the description. But I already built this frame. This is a pretty nice frame here. This is a 5-inch also. And this is the Crab. Like I say, Flywoo is a new company that's coming up, but they build some quality stuff. The carbon fiber is nice. Alright. We also have here, I'm going to open this up, but we're going to do a review on this also. This here, I believe, yes, it is. This, you guys, this is newest. This came out by Flywoo. You got some extra rubber cables in there, some plugs. They even put some the foam that the gyro sit on. So this must have one of those gyros. But we will be doing a review on this. This is wait till you see this. This is nice. This is the ESC and flight controller by Flywoo. This is the ESC, you guys. It's nice. Nice. And it's supposed to be pretty good. But we will be doing a review on this also. But yeah. And this is the flight controller by Flywoo. It looks pretty nice. Like I say, we will be doing a review later on those two. So like I said, you guys, we got a lot of good content coming. A lot of good content coming. Great bills. And this build I'm about to do with the Macau, that's what I think I'm going to put the flight controller ESC in. But yeah, thanks for it, you guys. And I appreciate you for joining me. Like I said, I am back, and we are about to build and great content. And I have a special video coming up too, where I left off last fall before it got cold. I was rebuilding. Some of you guys know, but I'm gonna keep it as a surprise, and that video will be coming real soon. Well, I'm Skipper Drums, and I will see you guys on the next video. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and also hit that like and leave me a comment. If you have any questions about building anything, I have no problem at all helping anybody. I will leave my email in the description below. I love to answer questions and help you out if you're just getting started and you need some help. But yeah, I will catch you guys on the next video. See you later.